Hello, what's up and welcome. We're going to talk about CU and how it affects students in campus. So, as campus students join the university or the colleges, their life there becomes different, including new friends, including new environment. There are students who are not used to the life of being alone, actually with no one to tell him what to do. So if not for the CU, they indulge themselves to other things like alcohol, doing drugs, and sometimes even joining some other fishy religions. So CU plays an important role to them because it ensures that they follow the same good path that the parents introduced them to. And in all colleges, you'll come across very strong Christians who are very dedicated in what they do. So, in what they do. So, CU actually helps them build them spiritually, physically also, because they'll gain friends who become lifetime companions. I know of people who actually knew their better halves or their wives while being in CU, and others who got to be nourished spiritually. So with the college life, ups and downs, students have to indulge themselves with something. You'll see others being in sports. You'll see others going to clubs. They just want to associate themselves with people, with anyone or any clique they can find. So CU actually helps them, nurture them, and also guides them through the right path. Well, I know of people who started colleges, and CU played an important role to their lives while building them physically. When I say physically, I mean that you'll gain friends. They gained friends while being in CU, and the friends played an important role in nurturing them physically, telling them this is what to do and this is not what to do. These are the types of people you should indulge yourselves with. So for me, CU in Kestivet played an important role because I got to know brothers who accepted me not because of where I'm from, but because I'm a brother in Christ. So they helped me with various things, actually, like booking hostels. They helped me with day-to-day activities, where to chill, spiritual life. Actually, helped me with spiritual life. They told me that if you want to access some other things, you need to indulge yourselves in prayers. Like, for example, there's this brother by the name of Okesa. He's actually finished on April last year. So he used to tell me that life is spiritual. Life is spiritual because whatever you want to access in the physical realm, you have to indulge yourself in prayer, in fasting, praying from 12